I repeat again, Priyanka Kurmi of St. Joseph High School. She is placed on the first place. And Mr. Rai, she also is from St. Joseph High School. Then the second item is under 17 girls. They are Prenita Bepi of Adosi Silikatan, Monjuli of Bhapi of St. Joseph High School, and Karmila Bepi of Malay and Islam. They are requested to proceed to the podium to the victory stand.
Second place.
For under 17 girls 100-meter race, the winners are Prenita Bepi of Adosi Silikatan, Monjuli of Bhapi of St. Joseph High School, second prize. And the third place is Karmila Bepi of Malay School. They are requested to proceed to the victory stand.
Next. Kalau certificate pen lah ya na. Go.
Under 17 girls 100-meter race, Prenita Bepi the first prize. Then Monjuli of Bhapi the second prize. The second winner. And the third place goes to Karmila Bepi of Malay School. Then comes under 14 javelin throw girls. They are Serlika Terong P of KGBV, Apolong Hanse P of St. Joseph High School, and Malin Langne P of KGBV. Under 14 javelin throw girls. They are requested to proceed to the victory stand. Javelin throw girls under 14, Serlika Terong P of Kasturba Gandhi Palika Vidyaloy, first place. Then Apolong Hanset P of St. Joseph High School, second place. And Malin Langne P of KGBV.
Second.
So they are the winners of the inter-school athletic meet held last year in 2024. So thank you, sir, for doing the honor of presenting the medals and certificates to the athletics winner. Now, and I hand over the mic to the host of today's program.